fast. Woo!
I just got the call. It's harvest time, baby. Hey there, welcome. I'm Kylie, a farmer, mother, and lucky enough to be married to my fourth generation farmer. Together, we raise corn, soybeans, hogs, and kids. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy. I snuck in the combine with our amazing operator, Dean. He's out there checking where we spread after we cut the beans. He's just walking through them, making sure that the header is set right, the combine's set right, and we're doing it. We're harvesting the Enlist E3 beans. A good feeling. Like I'm so happy that this day is finally here. We can really conclude the experience after today and make some decisions for next year. And honestly, it's a beautiful day to be cutting beans in Missouri. What are we checking for?
See if I'm splitting the beans or kind of grinding the beans.
What's the verdict?
Oh, looks good.
Okay, Dean, so we have combined about 1,000 acres of beans. How are the Pioneer brand Enlist E3 beans comparing to the Pioneer Liberty beans that we're cutting?
They're doing very well. They're nice and clean, easy thrashing. I'll give them that much.
And moisture?
Yeah, they're yielding good. Dry 11.5. Probably around a 60 bushel average for our area. That's really good.
Perfect. What would harvest be without a breakdown? So it's been about a week since we harvested our Enlist E3 soybeans. And mind you, when we were in harvest, it was go, go, go. Like we did not stop. So I'm just finally catching up with my husband to hit 5 minutes with him to talk about the process and the progress and completion really. So Jordan, what did you think about the harvest overall of the Pioneer brand Enlist E3 soybeans?
Overall, we were really impressed with them. They had great standability. They cut really well in the combines. They thrashed really good.
What was the overall yield based on the combine records?
I believe they came in at around 61 bushel.
Okay, great. And that's really good for our area. 61, like we're incredibly happy with that. I know some of the other areas in the United States have like stellar beans. 60 for us is awesome. So we are not disappointed in that. And I think overall our experience has been 2 thumbs up.
Really good.
Yeah, really good.
There was absolutely zero weed pressure out there, so obviously that helps when you go to cut them. And just really happy with the chemistry we used. And
yeah, and to have the option of a different herbicide program too offers more ability to be diverse in what you plant and to get that good kill on the weeds. So yeah,
Yep.
it was good.